Schultz's pipefish is a small fish that is closely related to the pipefish family. Pipefish are found in marine and brackish waters and are characterized by their long, slender bodies, small mouths and eyes, and elongated vertical fins. Schultz's pipefish is primarily found along the southern coast of the Indo-Pacific region. They have a shiny body coloration that is a mix of turquoise and light yellow, and they have small spines on their head. Additionally, they have black stripes on the upper part of their body. Schultz's pipefish typically inhabit reef and sea